is hope, after all.
Mr. Leader of the Free Galaxy's back. I knew you'd make it. I never doubted.
We got your warning. We've been waiting.
Hell yeah, boom time. We got the gang back together.
Humans have asked us to play by their rules. Well, the rules have just changed.
Human beings. Bunch of backstabbing weasels.
I'll find your inner compass. Loyalty is but a flower in the winds of fear and temptation.
What the hell are you saying?
It's a haiku.
Cut the crap before I drop a grenade down your throat.
Try it. You'll be dead.
Oh, please pull it. Please do it.
You know what?
Just save us so much time.
Well, raise your hand if you're thoroughly disenchanted with our little pleasant Earth vacation. So who's the stowaways?
Oh, hey, what's with the gun?
Stop, hound, both of you! They've risked their lives for mine. We owe them. So there's been no sign of any others?
Nada.
We are all that's left.
They're picking us off one by one.
We're the pathetic, dirty foursome. And you make 5.
So that's our best case scenario? Autobot witness protection?
Hey, Speed Racer, you're welcome to leave any time.
Well, for the record, Super Dad, I'm not hiding with you. I'm hiding out with that big guy.
Sensei, with your fate unknown, Bumblebee has held command, despite his complete and total lack of anything resembling warrior discipline. He's like a child.
This child is about to kick your ass.
He brings us shame.
Stage 5.
Smartass.
What's the matter with them?
Am I the lone sage who sees through these puppy dog eyes act? It's beneath you.
Yes, I've been waiting for them all to dispatch each other so I could take charge with no trouble at all. Just me reporting to me.
Well, it sure looks like you've been missed.
Autobots, Lockdown is hunting us, and humans are helping. We need to know why.
Well, listen, I don't know why, but I have an idea about who. This drone I stole recorded footage of an Autobot raid. It's in pieces. Watch what happens here.
Oh, that's Leadfoot.
They rip them apart.
Savages.
And later his truck comes to haul him off. KSI, Kinetic Solutions. Defense, aerospace, government contracts. And they designed this drone.
So these government guys just hunt you down and then pass you off to this KSI?
The company's headquartered in Chicago. It could be where they were taken.
No way to get inside without a battle.
Well, what if you had some human help?
What are you two partners now?
Sweetie, we're targets now too. We need to know why we never get our lives back.
Autobots, I have sworn to never kill humans.
Big mistake.
But when I find out who's behind this, he's going to die. Hooah!